Okay guys, hello everyone. How are you? I hope आप सब लोग अच्छे हैं, खुश हैं और everything's going good. So finally I'm back with my channel, myself Mitali, Me Tribe Billionaire, and this is my tutorial session. I am starting tutorial videos from now. I am in Dehradun right now, pretty much of a good weather, good sunlight, pleasant weather, and we're having fun here and playing with the chutku. And now I'm starting with my tutorial sessions in which I'll be teaching you basics of belly dancing, few tips and tricks that how you can be a belly dancer just at your home. All you have to do is switch on my channel, start my video and just start practicing belly dancing with me. Okay, and with belly dancing, along with that, I will be also teaching you out few basic exercises, warm-up exercises that we belly dancers usually do to before start a dancing. Okay, so let's start with the basic step, which is the hip movement. Okay, the basic step in belly dancing that we do is hip movement. But before jumping to hip movement, we will start with the basic position. Now, what is the belly dance position? Now, in belly dancing, first we talk about legs. Your legs do not have to be very much apart and they do not have to be joined as well. They are a little bit apart from each other, hip distance and straight. You have straight legs. From now, abhi ke liye straight hai because I'm teaching you abhi feet ka distance. So the distance should be accurate. Now, some dancers tend to keep their feet straight, but some dancers tend to keep their feet a little bit towards the ankle. Okay? Towards the ankle, जो आपका पीछे का जो एड़ी है, जो ankle है, it's a little bit touching. उसके अंदर कम gap है and आगे से मतलब it forms a V. It forms a V shape. Some dancers tend to keep their feet like this, some a little bit of straight. Okay, but this is the basic how you keep your feet. Then comes the legs. Now you usually bend your knees a little. Okay, so the knees are a little bit bent so that whenever you are doing the step, it comes clean. The belly dancing is basically for the torso part. Okay, I will even teach you that along as we go with the video, I'll teach you that which exercise helps you to where, like which part of your body it trains and where does it help you. Okay, belly dancing is a very beautiful form. It is just not a dance form, but as you know, it's originated from Egypt. मिडिल ईस्ट से इस फॉर्म का इजाद हुआ था एंड उसके बाद मेनी ऑफ द कंट्रीज, बहुत सारी कंट्रीज हैं जिन्होंने इस चीज़ को अपनाया है एंड इस फॉर्म्स के अंदर बहुत सारे डिफरेंट वेरिएशंस करे हैं. सो टुडे वी सी lots of types of belly dancing and again but they are all being originated by same belly dance जो कि इजिप्ट से आया गया है. ठीक है, so this is a very good exercise. It's just not a dance form, it's an exercise. हर टाइप की उम्र के लोग इसे कर सकते हैं. ऑल एजेस पीपल कैन डू दिस एंड इट्स वेरी इजी टू डू. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली इट हेल्प्स यू लूज वेट ऑन योर वेस्ट. आपका स्टमक पे, टॉर्सो पे जो वेट होता है, इट हेल्प्स यू लूज इन दैट. एंड द बेसिक सबसे बड़ी चीज ये क्या करता है, इट हेल्प्स योर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इन अ बेटर मैनर. आपकी जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड है इसको बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथन करता है एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है, जिससे कि आपको बैक पेन की प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होती हैं. एंड इट्स एक्चुअली प्रूवन फैक्ट है दैट इफ यू डू बेली डांसिंग, अगर आप बेली डांसिंग करते हो, इट हेल्प्स यू अ लॉट इन योर डिलीवरी. when you carry a child, जब women ladies when they are pregnant, जब उनके अंदर एक बेबी होता है, so उनकी बैक इज द थिंग. सबसे ज्यादा उनकी बैक, उनकी जो कमर से दर्द जाता है पूरा शोल्डर्स तक जाता है एंड इट रियली हर्ट्स. बहुत ज्यादा हर्ट होता है, स्पेशली जब बेबी को फीड भी करते हैं तब भी. सो बेली डांस improves that. belly dance आपकी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को इम्प्रूव करता है and it makes your fat go away and आपकी बॉडी को strengthen करता है along with your shoulders as well. Okay, in fact legs के muscles आपके thighs को टोन करता है and आपके thighs को भी muscles को stretch करता है. I'll tell you how आगे. ठीक है, so let's go back with the basic belly position. So हल्का सा feet is apart, little hip distance apart, and then we have to bend the knees. Knees are bent. Upper body is straight and shoulders are relaxed. This is how the belly position is. Basic belly position from the side. It's a little bit bent and arms straight and stretched out and relaxed. Okay, this is the basic belly position. Now let's start with the basic hip movement. That's the first step in belly dance and very widely used. Okay, so for the hip movement, let's take the basic position again. Now, the more you sink into the ground, जितना ज़्यादा आप नीचे bend होते हो, उतना clean आपका movement आता है. But इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं है that you have to just go inside the ground. ऐसा भी नहीं है, and then you have to stand straight. ऐसा भी नहीं है. So you need to keep the position subtle and in the middle. Okay. So, and of course, it's a very graceful form. So you don't have to rush with your steps, ठीक है? Because हम कोई professional belly dancing का performance नहीं कर रहे हैं. So we are just practicing to keep ourselves fit and maintained. Okay. So let's start with the hip movement. सबसे पहले the basic thing that we start is with the position. Now what we do is we have to bend our legs and stretch our legs. This is the basic hip movement. Right, left, right and left, right, left and right and left. Now what I'm doing over here is that this leg, the hip, you have to make sure that your hip is going inwards to your rib cage. You have to hit your hip in your rib cage. That's what you have to do, okay? And this movement, when you hit the hip upwards, what happens is that this leg is stretched. जब आपका ये leg stretch रहता है, then what happens? आपके जो सारे muscles हैं, they are strained and you get a good control over your muscles, okay? Strain पड़ता है in your lower back, इस side का lower back, left hand side lower back, left leg, inner thigh and your hips. Then you have to switch your position. और जो दूसरा leg है, it is quite bent. ये bent है. क्यों? Because this will get a momentum. इससे इसको momentum मिलेगा ऊपर आने के लिए. So then we will switch to the right hand side, okay? And then left and right and left and right, left and right and left and right. Now I'll show you the difference when I bend and when I don't bend. If I'm doing belly dancing straight khade hokar, so the movement is going to be like this, little less. But if I sunk into the ground a little bit, bend myself, then the movement is pretty clean and I'm much more easier to do the step. Okay, and it's visible, properly visible when you do this step. We're going to start with the warm-up. Let's start with warm-up exercises. This was hip movement. Now we'll move on to exercises. Basic exercises that you can do. You can do it on any music. If you want, you can put on a belly dance music or a normal music, remix music, any kind of music you want, you can put that on. Okay, right now I'm doing without music. I'll add on later. Okay, so the basics that we start with is we are going to, make sure we're going to stretch our belly part, our hip movements, and we're going to start with a little bit of side exercises. Okay, side. Now what I'm doing is my legs are stretched. Okay, legs are stretched. I'm not bending my legs at all, and I'm making sure that I'm standing straight. ठीक है, straight खड़े हैं हम यहाँ पर, and बिल्कुल side position we are taking, and then forward with the hands. ठीक है, this is the basic side exercise which helps you strain your this part. आपके side के muscles stretch होते हैं इससे, and आपके sides इससे tone होती हैं, and also आपके legs also strain पड़ता है. When you do this exercise, आपको पता चलेगा कि आपके legs पे भी strain पड़ रहा है. So the basic exercise is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And then we're going to switch the exercise. We're going to bend forward. अब जब हम forward bend कर रहे हैं, make sure that your spinal cord is straight. Your body posture is straight, chest lift up and spinal cord straight. Okay? And then you make your feet apart, hands straight, chest up, spinal cord straight and down. So when you do this thing, it stretches your legs. का पीछे से muscle stretch होते हैं, and then again your whole of the spinal cord is stretched and it's pushed forward. Okay, so this is another position that you have to practice. So first is this one, side exercise, and then the front one. So which goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I'm not bending my legs at all. Then, now we did this one. Now there's another side, which is when you move towards your side. Now how are you doing that? इस position को करने के लिए the basic simple one is कि आप you bend down first and then you put it to the side. Okay? इसके अंदर it's first front and then it's side. Now the side is that my hands are straight, spinal cord still straight. I'm just moving, shifting my weight from front to this side. And when I shift my weight from front to this side, right side, मेरे right hand leg पे strain पड़ता है और left hand से strain हट जाता है. ठीक है? When I'm in front, both legs are strained. But when I'm at right hand side is strained. Then front, both legs, and left. Alright? So this is the third exercise. Then we're gonna take hip rounds. We're gonna take hip circles. अब hip circles को हम कैसे करेंगे? Again, feet apart, shoulder distance, hands on the waist, and then we'll start rotating the hips. But when you come in front, you don't have to make your knees bend. Legs bend nahi karne hain. You just have to rotate your hips along with the music and along with the things, right? So rotate, and then change sides. Okay? So when you do these exercises, when you try these exercises at home, you'll feel your spinal cords getting strained, you feel this lower abdomen getting strained, and even strains and good कहते हैं उसको खिंचाव पड़ता है muscles में जो, so good stretch in your thighs, in your legs, and everywhere. Okay, these are the basic lower side exercises. There are upper side exercises as well, but first we'll go with the 4 basic lower abdomen exercises, lower part exercises, and then in the next tutorial I'll teach you upper exercises, a little bit of them, and then we'll combine the routine. We'll do the routine once, and then we'll go on to more of the belly dancing steps. So again, I'll repeat all the things that I've done. The basic exercise starting from the side exercises. So first we'll go side, make sure you keep this other hand on your waist, side, and side, and side. Then forward, and forward, then side, forward, alright, and then hip circles, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. So exercises are done. The lower exercises are done. They are pretty much more complex exercises, जो हम आगे जाके सीखेंगे. And then again a repetition for the hip movements. Okay, that's right, left, and left, right, left. Sink into the ground a little bit. Right and left, arms relaxed, body relaxed. Right, left, fast. Left, right, and left, right and left, and right and left, right, left, and right and left. More fast. Then left and right and left and right and left, right, left and right and left and right and left. Alright, so this is it for this tutorial. I'll see you next time in the next video. Till then, bye bye.